Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you the V stitch. It's a 1 row repeat pattern. Start with a slip knot and multiple of three chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Start a double crochet to the fourth stitch chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over, go through the fourth chain, yarn over, pull through back, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops on your hook. This is the half of the V. Chain 1 and double crochet to the same space. Yarn over, go through, yarn over, pull through back, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. And this is the first V. Skip 2 chain and make a V stitch to the third one. So yarn over, go through, yarn over, pull back. Chain 1 and double crochet again to the same place. Repeat all the way across. Skip 2 and whoops, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet to the same place, skip 2, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet to the same place, there is 2 chain left, make a double crochet to the last chain, this is the first row. The next row is the row what you should repeat. Chain 2, turn your work, and make V's to the V's. Yarn over, go through the first V. It's 1, 2, like 3, third stitch, double crochet chain 1 and double crochet to the same space. This is the next bee. Double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, repeat all the way across. End of the row. This is the last stitch. This is the turning chain. Make a double crochet to the top of the turning chain, so before the last stitch here. And repeat this row until you reach the desired size. 1, 2, turn, and V here, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. That's all.